Donnelly Bowral is marketed as an online boutique offering stylish clothing with elegant designs at attractive prices. The website showcases fashionable outfits and polished product photos. But the real question is, what doesn't the marketing tell you? Now, to be fair, online clothing boutiques are a legitimate way to shop, and many offer trendy pieces at competitive prices. What it does well: fashionable designs. The store features a variety of modern and classic styles that appeal to different tastes. Wide product selection. You'll find dresses, tops, outerwear, and other wardrobe essentials in one place. Where the hype falls apart: quality may not always match the photos. As with many online boutiques, the actual fabric, stitching, and fit may differ from what you expect. Sizing can be inconsistent. Measurements may vary between products, so checking the size chart is essential. Return policies deserve a closer look. Before buying, make sure you understand the return process, shipping costs, and any conditions that apply. So, should you buy from Donnelly Bowral? Short answer: maybe, but do your homework first. If you like the designs and understand the store's policies, it could be worth trying. But don't rely solely on the marketing photos and discounts when making your decision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.